had a good breakfast with a beautiful sunrise. Enjoyed the company of some cool people taking pictures and flying their drone. Now we're headed to Long Dong Silver. Now we're on the journey of finding Long Dong Silver. I'm on the path, a little rough, but we're gonna find it here. Well, that was the Long Dong Silver, or Lone Spire, whatever you want to call it. I ended up picking up a couple that was from Sedona that parked their Jeep on the edge of the trailhead because they were at the road still, because they weren't sure if they could drive on the road back there. But I picked them up, took them to the spot where you can't drive your vehicle any farther, and then we continued on from there. So they were very grateful, because it's only 79 right now, 80 degrees, but in this black rock heat, oh man, it warmed up quick. We're sweating our butts off. Tucker's panting way too much, even though I gave him a bunch of water. So got the AC cranked, windows up. We are heading to the Bentonite Hills, and we'll catch you later. That water crossing seemed like it was going to be a lot more, but it really wasn't too bad. I put it in 4 low thinking it was going to, oh man, all the clay's starting to fly. I put it in 4 low thinking it was super deep, and I forgot that it was all rocky on the bottom, so we're good. But definitely didn't trust it because it's muddy water. This is the reason we're here. Colorful clay. Beautiful stuff. Just beautiful. adventure. Just wanted to go for a little Sunday morning adventure, and we're on our way back to that water crossing. We'll get back on 24 and then head back home. So it's 11:45, should be home by 2:30, and Tucker still hasn't stopped panting. So we'll catch you later. Thanks for watching.